In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change iPhone widget color. We will walk through the exact taps you see on screen so your widgets match the style you want. On iOS 18 or later, start on your home screen and touch and hold an empty area until the apps begin to jiggle. You will know it worked when every app icon gets a small minus button and the wallpaper slightly fades. This is edit mode for your home screen, and it also unlocks the appearance options that control widget colors. Once the apps are jiggling, look near the bottom or top of the screen and tap Edit. The jiggling will continue, but a new set of controls appears. On many phones you will see options related to your home screen layout and appearance, so do not worry if the background dims a bit more when this panel shows up. Tapping Edit does not apply any change yet. It only opens the place where you choose how things should look. From there, tap Customize. After you tap, you should see options that relate specifically to how the home screen appears, including its color style. This is where iOS groups the choices that affect both app icons and compatible widgets at the same time. If you do not see Customize, check that you are editing the home screen and not another page like the lock screen. Now you will see several appearance options on the screen, and you can choose one of them. The choices are Automatic, Light, Dark, and Tinted. Automatic lets the system switch between light and dark based on your overall device settings. Light keeps backgrounds bright and text dark. Dark does the opposite, with darker backgrounds that many people prefer at night. As you tap each option, the preview on screen updates so you can compare how your widgets would look with that style before you commit. If you want a more personal look, choose Tinted. When you tap Tinted, the color picker or sliders appear. Use the color picker to tap a color on the wheel or drag the sliders to fine-tune the shade and intensity. As you adjust, you will see the preview change immediately. Your app icons and any compatible widgets update to match the selected tint once you confirm, giving your whole home screen a coordinated color theme without changing each widget one by one. If a widget does not change color after you pick a tint, that is expected for some apps. Some widgets always use their own design and cannot be recolored. Whether a widget supports tinting depends entirely on the app developer, so a calendar widget from one app might follow your tint, while another calendar widget might ignore it and keep its built-in colors. When this happens, the rest of your home screen still follows the tint you picked. You have now learned how to change iPhone widget color using the home screen appearance options in iOS. If this helped you get a cleaner color theme, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple iPhone customizations.